Hi guys, my name is Alexandra and welcome to Creative 404. In today's video, we're going to unbox this rainbow high doll. As you can see in the background, I have quite a few, but I've never actually unboxed any of my rainbow high dolls. I have 6, so this is my number 7. And why not share with you my 7th rainbow high doll? That's my dog. She might be squeaking her toy in the background. My apologies. She has this one. So I'm going to start. I like to open the rainbow high dolls with an X-Acto knife. I find it's very easy. To just get the tape. I love how they have this holographic kind of paper. The only thing is I don't like how complex it is to unbox these. These have all kinds of tape, all kinds of places, and it can be very cumbersome to get these out. But I have learned to deal with it. See, look, I think I forgot some tape. Yep. There's just all kinds of tape on this one. I'm gonna start with the doll. She is so pretty. She has like an iridescent kind of shine. She has real eyelashes. Like, they're not painted on. They're like really nice. She kind of looks like a BJD to me, which is why I like these rainbow highs so much. Oh no, I think I scratched her. I did. Oh well. Rub it away. Sorry, girl. I didn't mean to scratch you. This one is named Krystal Bailey. I just probably gonna end up calling her Purple Girl number 2 since I already have a purple girl and she's purple too. Maybe she's dark purple. Because the other one's kind of pastel. Pastel and dark. So pretty. She just has all these tags everywhere holding her in place. I love how dark she is. She has, I think she is the darkest girl you can get. She's like super dark. I think I have a doll brush somewhere. Somewhere in this mess. There you are. She needs a little bit of brushing. Oh, come back, brush. This is interesting. I will come back to that. I love how each of these girls have this glitter resin or glitter plastic. Her headband actually kind of broke, so I thought that was kind of interesting. It just needs a little bit of super glue and some extra love. They have like these plastic or string things holding it together, which I thought was really interesting. It's not really doing the best job. And my dog squeaks her toy. So I'm kind of like trying to get this off. Here we go. Yeah, this little bow on here actually kind of broke, but I was able to fix it back on. I think some super glue would definitely help this out. And then putting it on her head like so. Really cute. Super cute. Hey girl, how's it going? She got this little iridescent shirt and a little tube top. I think that's cute. Oh no, it's actually a leotard. That is adorable, girl. Let's get your stand so I can at least get you on the stand while I open up your clothes. Let's do that. See, look, the stands match the brushes. Hers is more blue than purple, which is a little bit like she's all purple. Why not make it more purple than blue? But the stands are pretty easy to do. There's a little lock right here. And there we go. She's nice and ready for display. I kind of like the outfit she's wearing more than the extra outfit. Sometimes I like the extra outfit more than the one that they're wearing, and I switch them. But I do like the fact that they come with extra outfits. Ooh, these are cool. They got little clocks on them. That's weird. I love the pants on this one more than the skirt she's wearing. I wonder if I should just switch her out with the new pants. Where are my tiny scissors? Oh, here are some seam rippers. That should help. They have these little tabs holding the clothes together so that it, oh my goodness. They have a cute little bralette under here. Hold on. I didn't realize that. I'm trying not to ruin this. There we go. You see there's an adorable little bralette underneath this little shirt. I think that is cute. That is adorable. I made a bralette very similar to this, except mine goes all the way around. This one has seams underneath the sides. That is adorable. I don't like this jacket very much. It's kind of distressed, and the stars just don't do it for me. I love these pants though. I didn't realize they came with like fishnets on the inside. That's cool. They have these little zippers which look like they work, but apparently they don't because I just tried. But these are cool. Oh look, it looks like it got fake pockets. Like right here. There's no inner pocket. It just goes straight into the pants, so they can't really hold anything. But I love the fact that they added that little detail with the fake pockets. That's cute. Do the back pockets work? Ooh, the back pockets work. That is neat. I like her shoes that she's wearing now. But I think the purple skirt The jacket's okay, but maybe I should dress her down a little bit. See, look at that iridescent top. That is so cool. Oh, I thought it was a leotard because I saw this piece right here and I thought it was a leotard. Oh well. Hey girl. You want to wear your little... These are really cute. I love your little tube top. I don't want you to wear the cute little... Here we go. See, that's cute. That's a cute outfit. All the other girls are wearing jackets, so I guess I'll put your jacket on. I don't like the sparkly one. I guess we'll put this one on. I wish you had like a short summery. Maybe because it's summer, I really want you to wear like summer clothes right now. Or it's spring at least. Sorry girl, I'm gonna have to pop out your hands so that I can put this jacket back on because it is hard. Ooh, you have purple painted nails. That is cute. Okay, let's put your hand back on. Is that the right hand? No, this one's the right hand. Right hand. Oop, your headband fell. Do the other girls come with some? Only one girl comes with a head. It's two girls. One has a hat, one has a head accessory. Trying to decide which girl I want next. Either the purple girl, oh, not the purple girl, but the orange girl or the red girl. I like them both, and I've been wondering which one I should get next. Then I have another green girl. I think they're twins. I think these two green girls are twins. I don't watch the show, so I don't know. But I like the idea of them being like twins that are opposites. That's better. I like this top better than the iridescent top. I think it's more cute and I like the sparkles on it. I like the pants better, but I want her to look very pretty. Less, what is it called? Less tomboyish. I want her to look fancy. Especially with this cute fancy headband. There we go. So overall, I mean, I've opened these dolls before, so I'm not, you know, super excited. I just enjoy them. They make me happy. I like putting them on my shelf and admiring them. They're just too cute. I wish I had the same reaction as I had opening my first LOL doll, but that was more of a surprise because I've never had an LOL doll and it was a blind box kind of deal, so it was really kind of well, surprising because it was something I wasn't expected. But for this doll, it's kind of you get what you see, and so it's kind of more expected. I think she's very pretty. I really like her colors. I don't like the lines they put on their lips when they're painted. Their paint job is okay, but it could be better. I'm gonna do a customization on one of the light purple girl. This one here, if you could see. I'm gonna do one. I have an extra girl. It was actually the first girl I bought, and I already cut off her hair and stuff to get her ready for a customization. she just never really went into customization mode. She just went into deconstruction mode. So I still have to do that. But other than that, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry it wasn't as exciting as my last one, but it still makes me happy, and I hope it made you happy too. Bye bye now. Alright, girl. Let's go on the shelf with the other girls.